names. I'm a Director of Manufacturing, and my service with Macadams is at the present moment 44 years. Technology and Macadams comes on many years. They were the entry level assisting Macadams in the design of the heat exchangers. Prior we were using the SAGA burner. Combustion Technology assisted us in the research development of our units. Prior to the beginning stages where we had many failures of heat exchangers, mainly in the countries of Chile and others, and with the assistance of Combustion and their team, and more so Grant Renical that assisted us with his expertise, we found a solution to our heat exchangers. At present, heat exchanger failure is minimal. And ever since Riello came in and we're using their burners, we've been, I would say, hassle-free. The only issues we do have is that the customer technicians not servicing our equipment, and more so the burners, be it diesel or gas or paraffin. Macadams Open Day 2024 is one hell of an excellent show at the moment, expo, due to the fact that the last one we had was in 2018, and with the unknown of COVID shut down the rest of the world, we are happy to have all our agents and customers.
Engineering Manager for Speciality, looking after 4 or 5 bakeries, and we mostly use Macadams ovens, but Riello burners are the preferred burner.
Hi, I'm Mike Cockram. I have a company, industrial bakery company. I've been dealing with Combustion Technology for probably 30 years, and they've been absolutely fantastic. Their service level is great, and the Riello product is best in the world.
Hi everyone, so I'm Hugh Scullies. I'm from Macadams Technical in Richards Bay. We cover the Zululand region. Obviously these burners here, they come with the Macadams ovens, phenomenal units to use. We work on them, we service and maintain them in our region. Been in this industry for 20 years. Personal friends with the company CEO, and I must say, best you can have in your equipment is Riello burners. The service is phenomenal, the service backup and support is phenomenal, and all I can suggest to you is be in contact with them and they can find you the best suited application.